Hi, it's me, Marty.
And me, Marilyn.
And we're at Banning State Park in northern Minnesota, and we're going to go on a hike. And we're not really sure where yet. There's a few different trails here, and we're trying to find the shortest one to start. We're starting about 4:30 in the afternoon. It's a beautiful day. It's like 55 and sunny. And so, yeah, come along with us. Here we go. What? See, I could just walk like super slow and just look at the moss on the rocks. Oh.
Some sort of fungi here. I don't know what it is. It looks like a little...
Oh, I'm a fun guy, ain't I? Sometimes.
Oh, a fun guy. Oh, we're a little slow.
We? Honey, what are these?
I don't know.
They're like perfectly round.
We'll have to look them up.
Yeah. That's so cool.
It's on a knot.
Well, it almost looks like it is, but that's horseshoe fungus on it. So is that horseshoe fungus on chaga, or that round thing? It looks like a horse, like a horseshoe of a. See these ones here? That's what that is. That is a dead birch, or this side is it anyway, and that's where chaga is a lot of times. I don't know.
What's this here?
I think that's also the horseshoe fungus, I think. I don't know. I'm just learning them from videos. Oh, yeah. Jingle them bells. Oh, can you? Okay, see my bear bell? It's in the pack.
Yeah.
Pull it out of the Velcro. Like, don't take it off the pack. Just pull it out of the Velcro.
Yeah.
There. Now it'll jingle.
You wiggle your butt and it jingles.
Just wiggle my butt and yeah, keep them bears away. Oh, that's so beautiful. Where'd he go?
What is it?
It's a chipmunk. I was trying to get him a video and he's gone.
Oh, there's a whole family. Yeah. If I'm hearing something. Anyway, that's so pretty.
There's chipmunks in there somewhere.
What this is, I don't know. Because you can go down here and you can see the
Um,
falls from there.
well, there's just two, they both go to the same trail. I think. Well, looking on this, look on here. We're standing in front of that bridge. It just goes around and comes back to the spot, right? Oh, it's if we want to do a shortcut and not go all the way down.
Okay, you want to do that or no? You want to go all the way down?
I think we can go all the way down, don't you?
Okay.
I don't know. Is that right? If we're looking, I don't know. Is there any water down here? Oh, it's all dried up. I bet that's really pretty though when it's got water running through here. You know?
Yeah.
Oh, look at these pretty flowers over here, hon. So this is, let's see here, we got a guide here, but so it's the earliest quarry site. The Water Power Sandstone Company began quarrying in 1892. And all this is kind of part of,
Where they cut it for the
yeah, so cool.
I should have had something.
We are having a wonderful time out here. It's so beautiful. It's a beautiful park, beautiful trail. There's history in here from the old quarry. Cool, sunny, beautiful, early fall day. So we're on a what was it called? Quarry Loop Trail. It goes down and then it turns and goes back to the parking area. It's 1.8 miles. Just a short one, but good for us. We like to take our time and enjoy. Oh, this is 5. So this is where the railroad part was.
So,
And then it goes back along the river. Okay, so the waterfall's that way.
I don't know that we have it to do that.
Okay, so we're almost halfway. So it's 1.8 miles, this quarry loop. It runs along the old quarry bed, and when it gets down here, I think it turns left, goes along the Kettle River. Right back there, we could have went straight to the waterfalls, but that'd be another 2 miles to go there and back, and we don't want it to get dark, so we're going to do that next time. But we should be able to see the river and everything down here. We've seen a couple other hikers. Well, actually, we've seen, let's see, there was the 2, then the lady, and then 2 and a dog, and then 2 guys. Now we've seen 6, 7 people. It's neat to see other people. I mean, it's nice to have it peaceful, but nice to have other people around too. Wow. This is cool. There's the old quarry. Okay. So I don't know if this is a chicken in the woods or the Not focus. Oh, there we go. 'Cause it's getting, sun's starting to go down. So. Okay, we're halfway. We made the turn, so now we're coming back. Supposedly, the river's over there. Huh?
Those are like shell-like ones.
Oh, yeah. I don't know. Where are those?
So this here.
Huh. To learn what all these things are. If anybody knows. Huh?
What is that one? Is that horseshoe?
Ooh, that's pretty. I'm not sure. It kind of looks like the horseshoe fungus. Huh. Not sure.
Yeah, there's another one over there.
Oh, yeah. And I think, I don't know, I think they might be different when it's dead or down tree
those
too.
Are darker. Those are rotten ones.
Yeah. It's a beautiful day, and I thank God for the weather. That's what I always sing, but that's not it, is it? You sing it, how it really is.
It's a happy day, and I thank God for the weather.
So it's a happy day. That's in the...
It's a happy day.
Okay.
And I'm living it for my Lord.
Okay.
And things are going to get better. Living each day by the promises in God's word.
I like that.
I sing a variation of that 4 days a week.
Oh, do you at work?
Yeah. I change it.
Change it up.
Yeah.
Hey there, little guy. Are you having a snack? Huh? Are you having a little snack? It looks nummy. Is that nummy? Careful, hon. Watch your footing. You want me to go ahead of you? So then you can fall on me. Or I'll pull you down, one or two. We found the river. Okay?
Yeah.
I think you're a better hiker than me. But I don't want you to fall. Oh, yeah, this is... Oh, honey. Want to go down here?
Yeah.
No?
Not there. That was too steep.
Oh, okay. Is this... Oh, hon. Oh, you want me in it? Oh, look at this. Oh, I had the camera going the whole time. Edit a little bit out there. Look at this. Is it just my eyes or leaves starting to change a little bit?
Yeah.
It just looks really bright and colorful. Oh, I love moving water.
Okay, here.
Right.
Go ahead.
Huh? Are you sure? Okay, careful. If I'll get out of your way, you'd be fine, huh? Oh,
Oh, we went the
Purdy.
hard way.
Huh?
We went the hard way. We should have been straight.
Yeah, I guess we could have. I don't know that now. Oh. Oh, honey, this is so pretty. Ugh. Gosh, yeah, climbing's a little harder with a 25-pound pack on your back. I could have taken my pack out back. Oh. Do you want to come up? You might. Actually, I didn't see that one over there. That one looks better over there. Oh, look at this. Here, honey. Here, I'll come help.
Pee again because of the sound of the water.
Huh?
I gotta pee again because of the sound of the water.
Oh, this is beautiful. Kettle River, Banning State Park. North of Hinckley, Minnesota, and north of Sandstone. Oh, something about running water. I absolutely love it. Oh, this is so beautiful. What a blessing. We're having a wonderful time. Oh, seriously. I think we found our new thing that we enjoy. Hiking, enjoying the outdoors more. I mean, we've done it throughout our lives, both of us, individually and together. But we're realizing it's one of our favorite things to do. Spend the rest of our lives hiking. It's exercise, time together, enjoying God's creation. It's just wonderful. Kettle River.
Wow, what did it take to make that?
Look at that.
And they made it without, like, huge...
Yeah, it's amazing what they did with less tools years ago. Wow.
That's the powerhouse.
Huh. Hi, I know you. Oh. We thought we were going away from the river, and there it is again. Oh. So beautiful. Minnesota is amazing. This is Dragon's Tooth Rapids. So pretty. We're doing a little shortcut here back to the end of the trail. I mean, it's actually on the map as a shortcut. But, oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Do two at a time.
We made it. Almost.
MCC trail.
Okay.
I'm feeling old right now.
We're tired, but it's been wonderful. We're almost back.
Wonderful.
Yeah. Almost back to the parking lot.
I see buildings. So
Huh?
I see a building over there.
Yeah, I think that's the outhouse and then the cars.
There's
Oh.
a trail right there.
Huh?
There's a trail right there.
That goes to it? Are you sure? Oh, okay. Well, thanks for joining us. Oh. And we're the last ones here on the trail. Oh. We're tired, but it was wonderful and beautiful. Thanks for joining us. See you on the next adventure.